class. So for my next artifact, I chose to use Symbaloo, which is basically a hub that you can create for your classroom where you can include all the different kinds of websites that you would like your students to use. So first, I'm just on Symbaloo.com. I'm going to click Create Free Account. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to choose Teacher. And then just the free option. And then I'm just going to type in my personal information, quick, and then it'll be as simple as that. And you can choose these if you'd like to, if you want to get emails, but I know we already get a ton of emails as is. So I am going to opt out of that. Right now I'm just going to choose the one that the school district that I work in right now. And it can be changed later on, but I work in the Kaukauna School District, so I will choose that one. And my contact email is right there. Everything is brought up, and you can just activate your workspace. And so there's already a ton of different things that you can access on here. And I think the great thing about this website is you have the ability to show your students what they can and cannot access. And that really coincides with our standard that we're learning this week about internet safety and all of that. So it really walks you through everything. The pop-up will show you how to get started. So you start, workplace settings, if you have questions, what is a web mix or a search. There's lots of helpful information that you can use. You can go to games. You can make a whole game site for yourself. You can add, so as soon as you click on it, it brings it right up to the website. You don't have to go through anything. And it's really nice. So you can remove something. So say I wanted to remove GoDaddy. I'm just gonna drag it and click it in there. So I don't want that. I don't want my students to be shopping online. So we're gonna take out all of these. And YouTube you wanna be careful with because a lot of times students are gonna look at things that probably are not the best to be looking at. Excuse my emails that are popping up. So in the middle you can just search for the web and you can really make this your own, which is really great. So if I want to change the wallpaper, I can do that. So your backgrounds can be changed. You can rename it. Everything is very customizable. And then if I am done, I'm going to rename it so that it's, this is the home page. So I'll just say home page for students, and then it's all ready to go. So this is what I decided to choose for my artifact, and I hope that you guys could maybe use it in your classroom too. It's kind of similar to Google Classroom, and that it's a hub for only you and your class, which is super nice to have. All right, have a good day. Bye.